man, troubled today is rid themselves of poverty. That's where I was born.
And that's where I was going to school.
We're here up on the mountainside in Kula, and they've made some clearings in this big park-like area in the bush, and they have 18 holes. They've made a frisbee golf place. Now this is the actual hole, as we would call it in golf. The idea is they hit the chains over there with the frisbee, and then it falls into the tire. You're not what? Don't go near the thorns. There's thorns right in front of you. Come on back. Come on back here. That's it. Come on, Talia. Go! Okay, you go too then. You go too then. Go! Dive! Okay, Talia, go for a dive. That would be Liam in the pool. There he goes, throwing to that guy. Having fun with the football. Well, I have to say that this really is the life, especially in the middle of winter. What a great spot.